with you.
Yeah.
Recording the sewer line here at 14333 Meridian Ave North. Date is April 28th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out at the front of the home. We are looking at the Seattle City main. I've zeroed out the footage. You can see in the corner there we're at 0 right there. I'm going to come back from here. We're going to get a look at the side sewer line to this home. So everything back from the city main is the responsibility of the homeowner. We are in 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line out underneath Meridian right now, coming back kind of towards the parking strip sidewalk area. You've got a seam in the pipe about every 2 feet. Where's the seam? There's a seam. When they look good and they're butted up nice against each other, that's what it's supposed to look like. Oftentimes, since this pipe's been in the ground now for 60 plus 70 years, they don't look like that anymore. So far, you don't look too bad.
That's way out like under there, isn't it?
Yeah, we're probably getting close back to like the bus stop now. I'm 20 feet back from the middle of the road. I'm probably sidewalk area now. So 6-inch diameter pipe off property. Once you get back on property, back to like this size.
Yeah.
What you're looking at there. So a little easier to clog, breaks down a little quicker, don't last as long, etc. Okay, at this point we are coming back into a 4-inch line. So we are dropping down into this 6-inch. As it leaves the property, we're now coming back into 4-inch on property. I want to locate where this spot is in the yard. And I'm going to pause the video for a brief sec. Okay, resuming the recording. We've got that located about 6 feet deep in the corner of the yard. Coming back now into this 4-inch diameter concrete sewer line. We are going to zero out our footage and come back into the 4-inch. Now the 4-inch I can immediately tell is a little rougher. It's got some roots coming through some of these seams. It's not a huge one, but of note. And we're coming around a turn because the line is kind of dropping and diving into that 6-inch line. There's another turn where you can see this seam is starting to get a little beat up, almost missing a small chunk of concrete possibly. Not like dire circumstances, but not pretty either. Coming back into a relatively straight piece, and you see that as water and sewage has gone over the concrete pipe along the bottom, over the years it just wears it out and makes it thinner, more rough.
Yeah.
You want more of a water slide effect when you flush the toilet, not a rough pipe.
Right. We don't put much down it anymore. Yeah.
Well, that's probably how you've gotten it to last.
Yeah.
It's a pretty rough little turn here. That's that turn.
Yeah.
Right there.
There's toilet paper.
Yeah. That's little evidence of it catching up sewage. Come around this final turn here. And, well, final couple of turns. And up into the plastic clean out here. A little bit of sewage buildup right there at these turns here. And we'll come back up out of the clean out there. Looks like we're going to call that 32 feet of 4-inch diameter before you get back into this plastic from the clean out. And it was 30 feet of 6-inch diameter. I'm going to end the video there.